Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a sobering reality check. The financial world is buzzing with alarm bells, and it's crucial that you understand the gravity of the current situation. Your financial well-being might be at stake, and I'm here to guide you through it. Picture this: you're sailing on a boat, and suddenly, you spot dark clouds gathering on the horizon. The wind picks up, and the waves grow turbulent. Ignoring the signs and pushing forward blindly could lead to disaster. In the world of investments, Tesla, one of the most iconic companies of our time, is facing turbulent waters, and it's imperative that you acknowledge the storm. Tesla's recent earnings report has sent shockwaves through the financial world, and the numbers are not in their favor. It's not a time for blind optimism, it's a time for careful consideration and protective action. Let's delve into the details to ensure you're well prepared to navigate this financial storm. First and foremost, Tesla's earnings were not what investors were hoping for. We must face this fact head-on. Tesla's margins, both gross and operating, have taken a significant hit. Operating margins, a crucial indicator of a company's financial health, are down to a concerning 7.6%. What's causing this decline? It's primarily the aggressive price cuts that Tesla has been implementing. Price cuts may seem like a strategy to make Tesla vehicles more accessible, but they come at a cost. These cuts are eroding the company's revenue at a rate faster than they are reducing costs. The result? Compressed margins. And this isn't just a minor dip, we're talking about a substantial decline in profitability. But that's not all. The storm clouds continue to gather. The macroeconomic environment is working against Tesla. Rising interest rates are pushing auto loan rates sky-high, potentially reducing the demand for Tesla vehicles. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a storm system that could last for a while. As a result of these challenges, Tesla's stock price has taken a significant hit. In the pre-market, it's down over 7%, reaching levels around $225. Investors are clearly worried about the company's financial performance, and you should be too. It's time to anchor down and take action. However, there is a glimmer of hope in the form of Tesla's robust balance sheet. With over $23 billion in cash and cash equivalents, the company stands out as one of the most financially stable in the automotive industry. This strong financial foundation is a lifeboat in the midst of the storm, but we must remain cautious. What's on the horizon for Tesla? They're planning to deliver the long-awaited Cybertruck, a product that has generated significant anticipation. While this is a reason for optimism, it's crucial to understand that it may not become cash flow positive for the first 12 to 18 months after delivery start. This means there could be rocky waters ahead. Tesla's strategy for reducing manufacturing and operational costs is commendable, but the real opportunity lies in boosting their margins through AI software and fleet-based profits. It's a strategy similar to Amazon's, where low-margin e-commerce is offset by high-margin AWS. If Tesla can pull this off, it could change the game. In summary, we're in the midst of a financial storm, and it's not a time for blind optimism. It's a time for caution and strategic thinking. Tesla's future is promising, but we must navigate the present with care and awareness. Think of your financial journey as a challenging sea voyage. The storm may be rough, but with a strong financial foundation and a clear strategy, you can safely reach your destination. The urgency lies in understanding the current situation and taking steps to protect your investments. Just as you wouldn't sail blindly into a storm, you shouldn't approach your investments with blind optimism. Tesla's warning lights are flashing, and it's time to take action. Consider the story of John, an investor who was overly optimistic and chose to ignore the warning signs. John had invested a significant portion of his savings in Tesla, believing the hype and the promise of a bright future. But when the storm hit, he wasn't prepared. The declining margins and price cuts took a toll on his investment. John watched in dismay as his portfolio lost value, and it was a painful experience. Now, imagine another scenario. A scenario where you're like a seasoned captain. Steering your financial ship through turbulent waters. You've heeded the warnings, adjusted your sails, and made strategic decisions. You're not blinded by optimism, you're guided by prudence. As the storm rages, your financial ship remains steady, and you're well prepared for the challenges that come your way. So, what can you do to protect yourself and your investments in the face of this financial storm? Here are some steps to consider. Assess your portfolio. Take a close look at your investments, especially if you have a significant stake in Tesla. Are you overexposed to the company? Diversification might be a wise move to spread the risk. Set stop-loss orders. Consider setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. These orders automatically sell your stock if it reaches a certain price, preventing further declines. Stay informed. Keep a close eye on the news and developments related to Tesla. Be aware of any changes in strategy, product launches, or external factors that could impact the stock. Consult a financial advisor. If you're unsure about your investment strategy, it might be wise to seek guidance from a financial advisor who can provide personalized advice. Plan for the long term. While the short-term outlook may be turbulent, remember that investing is a long-term game. Tesla's potential for innovation and growth in the electric vehicle and AI sectors is still substantial. Don't let short-term fluctuations deter you from your long-term goals. In conclusion, it's time to acknowledge the storm clouds on the horizon and take action to protect your investments. Blind optimism won't serve you well in these challenging times. By understanding the current situation and making prudent decisions, you can weather the financial storm and emerge stronger on the other side. Just like a seasoned captain, you can navigate the turbulent waters and secure your financial journey.
Before you go, help us by smashing that YouTube like button. And subscribe to this channel, so you won't miss any of our videos. This shows YouTube algorithm that you value our information. And it helps us spread the message. Sharing is caring.